right, this is the second part to 3.1. So this is 3.1 continued, part 2. Okay, I'm on the page that says write the following symbolically and in words. So what we're going to do is negate the following. Jennifer enjoys eating watermelon. All right, so first of all, if we write this up symbolically, we got to say that P is Jennifer enjoys eating watermelon. Now it's telling us to negate this. So the negation of P would be Jennifer does not enjoy eating watermelon. Okay, next example. Let P equal dinner includes soup, Q equal dinner includes salad, and R equal dinner includes the vegetable of the day. So write these following symbols or statements in symbolic form. I wanted you to see an example where we had 3 different simple statements connected together. With these, most of the time you will have a comma. If you have a comma in the statement, which I'm going to kind of highlight here, right there and there, on these 2 examples, that's going to split up your statement, your sentence, into 2 pieces. So dinner includes soup was P for the first one. So I'm going to go ahead and put P down there. I have the word and I also have an or. So I have 2 connectives. The main connective is the word and, because what follows behind and says salad or vegetable of the day. So the main connective is and. I'm going to write that down. Dinner includes salad was Q. And then it says or vegetable of the day. That's R. Since salad or vegetable of the day goes together, and I know that because it follows the word and that comma, I put that inside parentheses. For B, I noticed that it says dinner includes soup and salad, comma, or vegetable of the day. This time around, and by the way, that should say soup. I'm going to go ahead and fix that. Soup and salad go together, and then the main connective is the word or. All right, so let's see what this looks like. Dinner includes soup, P. And dinner includes salad, Q. Now we have a comma, and it says or vegetable of the day, which is R. So since soup or salad go together, I'm going to put that in parentheses and then put or R. Okay, here's the second half of this page. Let the train is coming, Q, the train arrives at 10 a.m. Write the following in words. Negation P or negation Q. And B is supposed to be P and negation Q. Okay, so the negation of P, I'm going to write it up here. The negation of P is the train is not coming. And I'm going to write the negation of Q as well. The train is, or does not, I should say, does not arrive at 10 a.m. Okay, now let's write this up. So the main connector here is or for part A. The train is not coming, or the train does not arrive at 10 a.m. Okay, part B. Part B says P and not Q. So P is the train is coming and the train does not arrive at 10 a.m. Okay, objective 4 goes over the conditional. The conditional is written as the arrow going to the right, and you saw that in part 1. It is read if, then. So what that means is if this occurs, and this could be like symbolically P, for instance, comma, then something happens. And that could be Q. Next page. Here's an example. P is equal to the painting is surreal, and Q is the painting is by Salvador Dali. Write the following symbolically. Part A. If the painting is surreal, then it is by Salvador Dali. And B is actually a boo-boo because it says the same thing. So let's put if the painting is surreal, then it is not by Salvador Dali, just to make it a little different. So if I want to write this up symbolically, I have the word if and then. That tells me that it's a conditional. The painting is surreal is P. So the symbol for if then is the arrow pointing to the right. And then Q is the paintings by Salvador Dali. So it's if P, then Q. For part B, the painting is surreal is P. And we have the word if then, so we know the symbol is the arrow going to the right. It is not by Salvador Dali, then that is not Q. So it's P, if P, then not Q. Okay, objective number five, the biconditional. The biconditional is written as a double arrow. It means if and only if. If you want to think about it, it's the conditional. Going both ways. What I mean by that is if P then Q, and then if Q then P. So that's what I meant by it's going both ways, and we're going to see that happen in that truth table for the biconditional. Here's a final page. I'm on this example where it says let P, Alex play soccer, and Q, the Rowdies win the game. So write the following in words. If P, this actually reads P, if and only if Q. So let me reword that again. P, if and only if Q. Okay, so if I'm going to write this out, P was Alex plays soccer. If and only if the Rowdies win the game. Okay, and that's it in a nutshell. You've just seen 3.1 in its entirety. Make sure you have your notes filled out because I will be checking them when I get back, and we will be having a short quiz on the notes that were written down. All right, see you guys soon.